Okay, so this is the original photo, and then this is the transparent version of that photo, and it was created with the help of Gemini AI. Now, just to be clear, right now, the image generation models in Gemini, which is Gemini Nano Banana Pro and also the Imagen models, are not able to properly create a fully transparent picture. It can create some fake PNG picture, but for a proper transparent picture, it is not possible. However, there are some workarounds that we can try on Gemini to actually create a proper transparent or PNG picture. So let me show you how you can achieve this result, or how you can edit your photo to be transparent with the help of Gemini AI. So step number one, you have to upload your photo to Gemini. And in this case, I'm going to be using this photo for a demonstration. Let me get it to my computer. And let's upload that photo onto Gemini. And basically, we want to edit the photo first. So we have to turn this messy background into something that is simple, which is the solid color background. So this is the prompt that I'm going to use. Please replace the background into a simple, pure, solid color white. Okay, that's not a good prompting, but basically I just want to replace the background to be just a solid color white. Now, the color selection is very important. You want to choose a color that is far from the color of the content around the edges of the subject. So for example, if the subject has, let's say, this red hair, then I think using orange background or red background is not the best idea. And also you have to consider the color of the outfit and the color of the skin. And in this case, I think I'm using the white color as a background is fine because it's not very close to the color of the content around the edges, but for your photo it could be a different color. Now I'm going to select the image generation feature, and I'll use the Thinking or the Pro because these two will use the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. And after that, you can send the message and just wait for Gemini using its image model to replace the background with a simpler background, which later will be a lot easier to process with a few other tools that we can actually utilize in Gemini. Now, I think some of you will know how this is going. So we can create a simple chroma key app with the help of Gemini, but there is also another way. We can use Gemini to remove the background, and that's going to be via Google AI Studio. Now, don't worry, I'm going to cover the two methods that you can try, but for now, just download the picture to your computer. And while it is still being processed to be downloaded, let me just open a new chat on Gemini. And I'm going to create that chroma key app or background removal tool app using Gemini. So I'm going to use this prompt, and I'm going to put this in the description down below. You can copy it. Let's paste that on Gemini. Click Tools, enable Canvas, and I'll select the Pro mode because after all, this is a coding task. Now we want to create an app that can easily remove the background of this picture that was created by the Gemini Nano Banana Pro model. Now, another way is by using the code execution in AI Studio. So let's navigate to AI Studio. This is the second option that you can try. Let me just open the home page and you'll see something that looks like this. And by the way, if you're opening this tool for the first time, then you have to log in with your Google account first. But basically, after that, you can chat with models, and I'll select Gemini 3 Flash Preview. That's the latest model right now. And I'll just upload that photo into this chat window. So it is being powered by Gemini, but there is a feature called code execution that is not available in the Gemini platform. That's why we have to use Google AI Studio. Now, I'm going to tell Gemini that I want you to remove the background of this photo so I can get a transparent PNG picture of this photo. After that, please provide me with a direct download link for the newly modified photo. Okay, so I think you know the point of the prompt. I want AI to remove the background, and I want to get a proper transparent picture. And of course, we want to enable something called code execution. So we have to enable this. And after that, just send the message and just wait for Gemini to think through, to analyze the picture, and it will remove background and will give you a PNG transparent picture. Now let's go back to Gemini Canvas, which is the first method. You'll get an app that look like this. So it is actually will work the same way as this method on Google AI Studio, except in AI Studio we don't need the app interface. We can just use the code execution, but this code execution is not available in Gemini. That's why we have to use the Gemini Canvas to create an app to kind of bridge the gap. Therefore this method. Now I'll just upload that to this app, and yep, you can select the color, which in this case the background color, and you can adjust the tolerance. Okay, I cannot see the picture. Wow, that's not a great UI, but yeah, I think you can play around with the tolerance here, so you can select the setting that is the best. And honestly, my photo is not the greatest because it is a person with a hair, and usually finer objects like hair or fur, they are very difficult to manage using this chroma key technique, but for other objects usually it is fine. But I think this is good enough. I'm going to download this to my computer, and let me just zoom in back, and let me use this tool to test the transparency again. There we go. So the picture is fully transparent. I can change the background, and only this subject remains. Now let's go back to AI Studio. Let's see if it has finished. As you can see, it's not yet done, but usually after that you can click a download link, or you can also just click the download button on the image preview that was provided. This method is a bit slower because I was using the Thai thinking. It's kind of slow, and in general using AI in AI Studio is kind of slower than Gemini. I think they're using lower hardware compared to the Gemini platform. Understandable, but it is one alternative that you can try. And also, again, you don't need the Gemini Canvas interface. You can just enable the code execution to get a transparent picture. But yeah, these two are the methods that are involving or using the power of Gemini AI model to remove the background of your photo. It is not the most elegant, and I'm hoping that in the near future we will have a proper background removal tool the same way that we have in ChatGPT, and hopefully it will be available in Gemini AI. But in the meantime, these are the two methods that you can try to remove backgrounds with the help of the Gemini, whether it is via the Gemini platform or the Google AI Studio. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.